Mr. Jaspreet. What is the key takeaway with this collaboration with AceMicromatic Group, particularly we are speaking about amace?
So the key takeaway is we are actually focusing on Make in India. So we're looking at Indianization. So the past 2 or 3 decades, we've been heavily relying on imports. So now with our partnership with the amace group, we're looking at localization, looking at empowering the local community with local additive manufacturing solutions. So eventually we want to be self-sustainable. That's what the vision we have. That's what the government policy is on additive manufacturing.
Keeping into consideration what we were in 2007, what we are today in 2025, earlier we were only looking at a commodity product in CNC machining. How do you find the ACE group exhibit here of various kinds of machines which are technologically advanced?
I think I'm quite impressed. I think it's quite fascinating to see the entire range of solutions which Amaze has posted here. And with their entry into additive manufacturing, I think pretty aligned to Industry 4.0. In fact, now Industry 5.0, when additive manufacturing is one of the main barriers. So I think getting into AM for ACE is definitely the next level.